Well, hello and welcome to my classroom. I am Frederick T. Eagle, but you may call me Mr. E. I'm so happy to be here with you today. Together, through the medium of art, we will enjoy creative activities that will enhance hand-eye coordination and perceptual awareness, as well as pre-reading and pre-writing skills. Oh, and so important is that wonderful feeling of making your very own work of art. So please, join me and my ace assistant Newton by drawing along with us.
Hi, Mr. E!
Well, hello and welcome, Newton. Your timing is perfect. We were just getting started.
Great! May I guess what today's drawing lesson will be about?
Certainly, old friend. In fact, there's a clue in our classroom. Can you find it?
Sure, let's take a look around. Let's see. Could it be this plant? Or maybe it's the clock. Tick-tock, not the clock. Or maybe it's these flowers. Flowers are nice, smell great too, but I don't think that's it either. Oh, I know! It must be this picture here. I see shapes.
Yes, Newton, you found the clue. Now tell me, can you name any of these shapes?
Yes, I can, Mr. E. Well, first of all, I see a circle.
Very good, Newton.
What else do I see? Hey, I see a square.
Excellent, Newton. What other shapes do you see in this picture? Yes, if you found the triangle or the rectangle, give yourself a pat on the back.
Well done!
And that brings us to today's drawing lesson. Newton, would you please tell us what we need before we start today's lesson?
For today's lesson, you will need a sheet of paper.
Very important.
You'll need something to draw with. Mr. E likes to use a pencil.
Yes, I do.
But I like to use a crayon. Or even a marker.
Excellent, Newton. At this time, please feel free to pause the video if you need to find your drawing supplies. We will be waiting right here. Got 'em? Good! Today, we will be drawing circles. Small circles, big circles, and making a circle snowman. Got it? Great! Let's get started. All right, before we get started, boys and girls, let's do some finger exercises to get our hands ready to draw. Try this. Open and shut them, open and shut them. You try. Open and shut them, open and shut them. Hey, great job. How about this one? Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 and stop. Great job! And lastly, let's exercise our pointer finger. Ready? It goes around and around and around and around. Let's try the opposite direction. Around and around and around and around and stop. Super job! That was fun! Now that our fingers are ready, let's practice making circles. Ready? Here we go! Let's use our pointer finger to trace a small little circle. Ready? Small circle. Small circle. Great! Let's do the opposite direction. Ready? Small circle. Small circle. Great job! Now, let's make some big circles. Here we go. Big circle. Big circle. Awesome! Let's go in the opposite direction. Here we go. Big circle. Big circle. Great! I think we're ready to do some drawing. Let's get our pencil, or marker, or crayon ready. I have my favorite pencil ready to go. Let's draw. Okay, make sure you have a comfortable grip on your pencil, or crayon, or marker. Good. Today, when we are drawing, we're going to talk about 3 areas on our paper. Way up here, we will call the top. Right here, we will call the middle. And way down here, we will call the bottom. Got it? Great! Let's start with a small circle at the top. How's this, Mr. E? Excellent, Newton! You're off to a great start! And boys and girls, you are doing a super job following directions too! Great job! Now, just below it, I want a circle that's a little bit bigger. We'll call it a medium-sized circle. So, let's draw a medium-sized circle in the middle. Medium-sized circle! Great! Last, way down at the bottom, let's make a big circle. Here we go! Big circle! Excellent! Well done! Now, this is where we can get creative. This is 3 circles, but not quite a snowman yet. He needs some eyes, he needs a mouth, and he needs some buttons. So we can always do this. Make tiny, tiny circles. Tiny, tiny circles. Let's give him a smiley mouth. That looks great! Let's make some tiny, tiny circle buttons. 1, 2, 3. That's starting to look like a snowman. Mr. E? Yes, Newton?
What if I can't draw tiny circles? It's hard for my little fingers to draw that small. Is it okay that I drew dots instead? It looks different than yours.
No problem at all, Newton. Art is a creative process, so be creative. If yours looks different, that's okay. Let's continue. We can always draw some lines to make his arms. 1, 2. Let's make some small circles for his hands. Ready? Small circle. Small circle. Great job! At this time, you can extend the activity by adding your own details. For example, you can give him a hat, or a carrot nose, or a scarf.
The possibilities are only limited by your imagination.
Well, Newton, that brings us to the end of today's lesson.
That was fun!
Hey, Mr. E, what's happening? Looks like I got a special delivery here for you.
Hey, it's our good friend Mailman Mike!
Yep, with a special delivery. A special delivery? Do I need to sign for it? Oh, this is so exciting! Yeah, that would be great.
Hey, that must be the clue for our next lesson! So what's the clue, Mailman Mike?
Tune in next time to the artistic adventures of Mr. E and Newton, and you'll find out. See you next time!
Bye-bye!